Find ion in addition to static electricity. Demonstrate. Ion air gun. For blister products. Static removal operation. This blister product, it has relatively high requirements for appearance. If there is static electricity on the surface, will absorb a lot of dust and other impurities. Now there is a 1000 volts static electricity on the surface. It is easy to absorb dust and impurities. Use an ion air gun. Static it out. After removing static electricity, we measure it. You can see it. Only 80 volts static remains. This time, the surface is no longer absorbed dust and impurities. The performance of this ion air gun still pretty good.